Hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So this is the new episodes of the Android Project Idea series. So in this project idea, we are going to discuss about the mobile tool payment and traffic management application idea. So let's move to the introduction part. So here is some introduction. Introducing a mobile toll payment and traffic management application, an innovative solution to design to streamline toll payments. So in this, we are going to track the users pattern and improve the traffic flow through a data-driven insight. So this project will offer the college student an opportunity to develop an Android application that can be contribute to the modernizing the transport system and enhancing the computer experiences. So the in this we are going to create an application like we are going to streamline the toll payment and we are going to track the usage pattern. So what is the problem statement that we are facing in the current scenarios? So it is the problem statement. Traditionally, toll payment methods such as cash or physical toll booth can be lead to be congestion, delays, and insufficiency in traffic management. So additionally, tracking toll uses a pattern and analyzing the traffic flow data manually that can be time consuming and resource intensive. So, as you can understand that congestion and delays and insufficiency in traffic management, it is very time consuming and there is a lot of resources we are going to use in the current scenario. So, what is the solution for it? Solution overview: the mobile toll payment and the traffic management application revolutionize the toll payment system by enabling the user to pay a toll conveniently and using their smartphone. In this application, we are going to integrating a payment functionality with the data analytics capability that provide the valuable insight into the user's pattern and traffic flow, facilitating informed decision making and optimizing the transportation networks here. So this is the solution we are going to provide provide for the mobile tool application development. So, what are the key features that we are going to provide? Like, first, we are going to do a mobile payment integration, which allows the user to input their payment information securely and convenient pay their toll using the smartphone. Real-time transaction tracking. What is real-time transaction tracking? Provides the user to real-time updates on the toll payments and transaction history and account balance. So, and the thirdly, we are going to use the users pattern analysis, analyze the toll payment data to identify users pattern, peak hour, and the traffic congestion hotspot. So, uh, traffic flow optimization uses the data traffic analytics to optimize the toll booth operation, reduce the congestion, and improve the traffic flow. User-friendly interface offer a user-friendly interface to enhance the usability and accessibility for the commuters and the demographics. So thank you everyone. If you have any other ideas except from this tool management system, you can just drop a mail or the contact at the Coderas. So thank you for listening.